Okay, you guys, it's me, Mishka. Let's prep for Tuesday. We got stuff going on here, right? On that. Why are we? It does it sometimes. Anyways, I'm in Home Depot. Let's go piece by piece. It's our Coinbase. Yeah, I think this would be like the time to sell, like around here if it holds. Intel, Johnson and Johnson. Uh, we're getting close to breaking even. This guy's doing good. Plug is. My mind fails to comprehend what's going on with Plug. Roku. This guy, I'm still in the trade up to here. It's gonna take some time. Let's uh, let's just move it here. So it's a done deal. It just grinds higher. I think something is possible from here, but for now it just goes. Good stock. Reminds me of HSBC. I wish I had a bigger position. It was like half of the desired position I was able to accumulate, and it was also a little bit back in the day, 2 months ago. So I had a smaller risk unit. I upgraded my risk unit twice since then. So okay, so that's my sweetheart for now. I entered from daily just of this spring, and it's a good volume. And technically, I should wait for the. No, I shouldn't wait for nothing. Technically, this was like we need a reaction bar here. The volume is good. And in 5 minutes, we need a reaction bar. But I think it'll just gap tomorrow. So that was a legitimate setup too. We just need a reaction bar. And extended hours are. Yeah, extended hours are holding. They're holding. So yeah. Super technical. I mean, we'll see what happens tomorrow. But I think it'll just gap. Okay, this is our hourly watches. Why? Well, technically it's in 0.5 and it's a support level. The break though, see this break? Doesn't look very healthy. On an hourly though, if it does something, they'll be fine. Starbucks. Uh, First of all, we are in the middle of nowhere on monthly. Let's just agree that we got above. We broke above this volume, so this is promising. It's kind of catching falling knives at this point, but look at this volume. Monthly is weird. I wish I could say something more specific. And by the way, anything I say is not a financial advice, okay? Trade responsibly at your own discretion. So if it comes per se here, that would be goodbye. Technically, that was no this. Um, you can make an argument that this is a test level around 0.5, so anything from here is doable. And if I'm going wrong there, what are we talking about? Just got out of dividends. Oh, and also another thing to say about Home Depot, the dividends are around the corner. So if it kind of like hangs out here, don't mind collecting the dividends. It's not bad. Um, yeah, this is the last day of the hour, first day. Yeah, I mean, okay. Just for the sake of this conversation, let's say it's a test level. I'll be super careful, of course. But, I mean, look at this level. Volume. Yeah, I would do a little something here. Our dailies. To know why I'm still watching the stock. But I do. This would not be a bad buy. Yeah. Everything looks good here. This volume is a little like concerning, but I mean, 0.5. Yeah, no. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's a good place to buy. Good volume. We're above this volume right now. If it comes here. Did I just do this? I lived in India for a year and a half. I hope it's not racist. I did live there, so it's not a cultural misappropriation. Uh, I got some Indian culture in my bloodstream back in the day. It's an amazing country, so beautiful and so vast, and it's the alma mater. It's the motherland. Russia is the motherland, but India is where we all came from, like all the Caucasians uh, or Indo-Aryans. It's just like Hitler kind of spoiled the term. But yeah, uh, we all came from India, from Himalaya at some point. Well, from Africa initially, but Himalaya then. What I'm looking at? Nothing. Yeah, I mean, just. I'm afraid it's not gonna go there because of this volume level. Where's this volume level, by the way? It's all here, on 5 minutes. The same deal. It's all here. And we're now right in this volume, yeah. I'm afraid it's gonna bounce without us. But, I mean, rules are rules. And we're gonna stick to them. I cannot buy like from the middle of this channel just because I'm assuming it will bounce at this volume level, which is obviously there. Yeah. We'll see. It's a good place. I wish we had a level here, but we didn't. Horizon, I just have it. I don't know why, but I just have it. Uh, this is not good. If it like goes here and confirms change of directionality, that's not like what we want to see in 0.5. And it's in, yeah. Gold made its move. Uh, that was probably panic, so I think that was a level. Yeah. It's gone. Not sure what this guy's doing. Even more so, I'm not sure why I have it on my daily watch, but I just do. Oh, that's a Russian stock. I decided to put them all together for whatever sake. So yeah, it's an interesting level. hours though, yeah. Needs to make it smooth. This is our monthly watches. Yep. Pfizer just can't make me sleep. If it goes below this level, below this volume, it should not go below this volume. But yeah, the whole thing is weird as AF. That was a trade, and then this was weird. Yeah. It's a good. I've been actually thinking about Pfizer during my retreat I just came from. It's like, should I not just buy it from this 0.5? But remember here, same 0.5, same deal, bounce, and then let's observe. Oh, that's actually what Gain Kaji says all the time. Observe. Let's observe. No, I cannot do his accent on the top of mine. McDonald's was sweet over here. Will be sweet again in this area. Not sure about that. IBM. Russell 2000 is like struggling to break out of this channel. This balance has been into like for what, couple years. Probably succeeding. Looks like succeeding at this point. What are this and why are they like? What is this color? Like I don't even remember. What did I mean by this color exactly? But whatever I did, this guy's here now. I don't remember my own logic. It's like, what was the logic behind? Just no logic. Huh. Yeah, you like don't fool around this level for sure. The heck is this? This is not from here, yeah. I don't know. I don't know what to say. The heck is that? You can call it a balance. In 0.5, huh? Toronto Dominion Bank. This volume though. To douche. Came again to this volume and like beyond bounce. Transitory extremo goes up, and then like this, and then like this. I made my 2R like back there. You see, I was like on a thin ice. And honestly, yeah, I'm not sure what it does here and like this volume again. What is this volume last month? this volume. Weird. Weird. Oh, let's give him an eye on it. If it kind of cripples down without breaking this level and goes to 0.5. Maybe. Or maybe it's just me. It's like you know how they say that like people who commit a crime, they tend to return to the crime scene. Like once you made some profit on a stock, you tend to return. And wait for more. Oh, look what Procter and Gamble is doing. Finally. They're storming T1. Congratulations, Procter and Gamble. I think I was trying to make some money, but had to break even, if I remember correctly. This is tied. Interesting. Citigroup. Banks. I had a bad start with Citigroup when I was a youngster. In terms of my credit cards, you know. We have a history. We go way back with Citibank. Back in Russia, by the way. Back in Russia. They're not there anymore, I think, due to the sanctions, but they used to be. Good for short, actually. And I have one real stop. A month. So could have potentially used it. Just free up some space. XLP did good. Ah. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, CVS. Just like dying, or what's the deal here? Did it ever do anything like this? In its life? The heck happened there? Earnings. Okay. Well, technically, CVS broke out. But practically, well, this is... Does it look like a break? It's like, technically it is. But do you want to treat it so? I mean... Well, on the monthly is falling knives. It's only just in consideration of possible quick move on like lower time frames. Oops, that was large. So I'm doing like my best to be sustainable and utilize my previous drawings, so not to like to spare the ink. But also like once you get like too many drawings on the chart, trading becomes heavier and heavier. It's not fun. Yeah, I can safely say that if it like broke out of here, one could expect some motion. It's super weak though. It's like super duper weak. Is it a real break, or is it just like fluffing around? Okay. Something like that. I don't know. The volume distribution is not bad. Yeah, but yeah. What important is just cripples out. It's like meow, 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 meow. But this is still above all the volume. The volume is here. You can put it on the map. You can throw it here if it makes it easier for anyone. So especially if it corrects somewhere like more like boom, 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 2.5. That wouldn't be terrible. Well, I mean, this break is odd. However, again, the volume. Yeah, no, let's keep an eye on it for like here. Wait, what is this volume? Yeah, forget about this. Yeah, too early. Could have held for here, or even like for. Ooh, yo, look at this massacre. Yeah, like so higher, higher, higher. There's like absolutely no level. No, there's the level. And it bounced from here. And here is like, okay, let's sell it. So once again, yeah, probably could have sold after this thing here. So we would have made some money, but I didn't. Well, I did. I did like 21 hour on the street. It's also an art to let the profit go. What's mine is mine, but what's not mine, I'm not gonna touch it. So I'm not gonna touch what's not mine, but I'm not gonna leave what's mine on the table. And I live by these rules. Yeah. So this guy's done, as far as I'm concerned. No, Vodafone. I don't know how it sneaked into my watch list. Vodafone is like, buy me someone. Anyone just buy me. AT&T in the same basket. I don't know what's going with cellular. Did they suffer so much from the VoIP? Oh, Taiwan Semiconductor is trying to make through this madness. I don't think it will, but I mean, we'll surely keep an eye. I wouldn't touch it right now, for sure. This is 0.5, ladies and gentlemen. This is a trade I'm done with. I like to keep my old trades on the chart till they become distracting, like some form of positive reinforcement. I'm still in the stage where I need it. Union Pacific, you. This is hard for Union Pacific. It's actually not bad for 0.5. The volume distribution though. Yeah. No, maybe not so much. It came to 0.5. Yeah, no. No, I don't think so. The whole trading thing is a recognition pattern recognition game. Just watch the stock. If you recognize something, you're like, okay, go for it. It's almost like Animal Kingdom, you know? The predator sees the prey, recognizes, goes. If you're not sure about anything, just don't go. Or you'll become a prey. Don't attack the shark, in other words, if you're a sea lion. It's not your. Uh, it's outside your food pool. What am I talking about? Ever since I have to move from TradingView to YouTube, and I lost my brother Jay and Casey, I'm just going mad talking to myself. Uh, Yay. That was a sad yay for BMI. Maybe that's the level, who knows? But maybe not. Pattern recognition game. That's all it is. I'll just throw you here. Uh-huh. What the heck is this? Okay. CGTV. What is this? VHS recorders? Capital Group Dividend Value ETF. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, that's where Casey made me analyze like dozen identical ETFs of different providers, I think. Right? Can we just like scroll over? Oh, look at this guy. Goes like there's no tomorrow. Look at this guy. Everyone start brushing their teeth, or what's going on? Okay, guys, I think I gotta go. Yeah, the list is long. I'm gonna go meditate. You guys have fun. So yeah, not much for tomorrow, really. This too. Risky. Risky. Hashtag frisky. Okay, guys, see you soon.